Life of it. Dadz of Dadz Entertainment.
Yeah.
That's what Dadz. Check.
Yeah.
Ha. Yeah.
Cause this is the life of a Dadz. I'm a father in the game like a dad, and I'ma show you the ropes like your dad.
What?
The life of Dadz. Yeah, this is the life of a Dadz.
Tell him.
I'm a father in the game like a dad, and I'ma show you the ropes like your dad.
What?
Yeah, the life of
Hello,
Dadz.
sons and daughters. I'm your long lost father. This is what I do.
Yo, what up guys? So you don't know, I just get ready and basically ready to go to dinner at Bettino's, the Italian restaurant. So you don't know, basically ready, waiting on Charlie to get ready. Done there and see. Step in. Don't know, it's a great anniversary, our 4th anniversary. And Bettinos has become one of the favorite restaurants, so we're actually going back there after going there on my birthday last year. We're going there again now on the anniversary in April. Bless up yourself, bless up all the people them you don't know what they're about. Don't know, it's Lord I the Dadz from the DadzLife YouTube channel. You see. What up, what up, what up? Shasta, happy anniversary.
You guys made a
Yes, please. Hey. Yep. Don't know the anniversary dinner. Our usual place, Bettino's. Yeah, Mr. Book.
Happy anniversary and subscribe and like. I don't know what you want me to say.
Bless up everybody, and you don't know. It's Lord I the Dadz from the DadzLife YouTube channel. And you don't know, we're just giving you some previews of the anniversary dinner at Bettino's. So bless up yourself everybody for always showing love to the channel, subscribing and liking and blessing up the youth every time. Big up. Woo! Apple martini and what's that, Bob?
Tequila sunrise.
The tequila sunrise. Charlie dabbing down. Oh no, we haven't finished the shrimp. Apple martini as usual, guys. You know my thing.
Life of it. Dadz of Dadz Entertainment.
yeah.
That's what Dadz. Check.
Yeah. Yeah. Cause this is the life of a Dadz. I'm a father in the game like a dad, and I'ma